In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can add a study area via Map View. You might want to start by changing the background map to the Ordnance Survey background and then zoom into the general area where you're looking to create your study area. Click on Add Locations and select Study Area. To draw a study area that follows the OS grid system, click to drop a pin in each of the four corners and double-click to complete the boundary. You will see that the study area turns red and a form appears where you need to add information about your study area. You can give it a name, and should you wish to, you can overwrite the default location code that has been generated. Having popped in these details, you can click on the blue Save Changes button and you'll see that the study area changes from red to green. For a more irregular boundary, then you simply need to place more pins at the turning points on the boundary edge. Again, you double-click the boundary to finish it off. The study area turns red and you're asked to record the details before saving. Again, you'll see that the study area turns from red to green. Click on the study area to select it, then click on the blue Record Species Monitored button. In the table, you're able to record the species being monitored and the date that you started monitoring, one row per species. If you want to see how the study area you've just created appears in Table View, you can simply click on Table View in the toolbar at the top.